Hi, hello my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం. On occasion of Bakrid, Eid Mubarak to everyone.
Today I am going to prepare sheer khurma. This special dish is served on the morning of the Eid day after completing of the Eid prayer. It is very popular throughout the Indian subcontinent and Central Asia. Come on, let's get started the process. The required ingredients are Arabian dates, cashew nuts, raisins, pista, milk, semia, half cup sugar, cardamom and ghee. Take a frying pan and add ghee in it. Once ghee get heated, add Arabian dates. Fry it on a low flame. Once the dates get fried, now transfer this Arabian dates into a food bowl. In the same ghee pan, add cashew nuts and fry until it turns into a golden color. Once it gets fried, transfer into a same bowl. In the same ghee pan, add raisins. Fry it on a low flame. Once raisins plump up, now transfer this into same bowl. In the same ghee pan, add semia and fry it on a low flame. Fry it until it turns into light golden color. Once it gets fried, add half cup of sugar and stir it. Now add required amount of milk. Cook the semia in the milk for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add roasted dates and raisins. Add little bit of ghee and stir it once and switch off the flame. Now transfer this sheer khurma into a plate and garnish with cashew nuts, raisins, pista and Arabian dates.